Justin Bieber, gotta get to be I for Selena. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be reacting to Justin Stay live performance with Kid LAROI. I'm curious to see what this is going to be like. I know he's on a concert tour right now. I did said some things in the past, my close friends of mine, that he's going through this spiritual journey and growth that is good for him, but I'm not buying it. But I call it a Justin Timberlake cleanup, and I'm curious to see if he's going to give me what I need, because I don't run to see Justin Bieber. He do have some good songs. He's just not good enough for me. So someone told me, react. You know, I like these songs. So you know what? Let me do it, because I'm not going to take anyone's talents away from them, because he is talented, because he's at where he at. So. Ooh, go back to the beginning. I'm assuming this is a song from his album. Honestly, I don't know who this Kid LAROI is. I don't really know. I guess I need to see who he is, and I also need to see if this Stay is from Justin Bieber album or Kid LAROI album. Like I said, I knew Justin Bieber is on a tour. I don't think he released any song. I don't know. Oh my god, does he just on the stage with his socks? Okay. Come through with the live vocals. I won't lie, from the audio that I'm getting, because obviously I think it's someone's phone using, he actually sounds really good. He sounds better than I thought. He sounds really good. He sounds really good. Beat is amazing though. Okay, that was very interesting, entertaining. That was very interesting. That was interesting. Catch my attention. Wasn't fully entertained, but it catch my attention. I just love the fact they actually sound good. It wasn't bad. I need to look up who he is. I need to look up what the song is, if it's from Justin Bieber's album or did he had a new album. I don't know. I just know he's on tour. But this is really good. So I want to say thanks to the person who recommended me react to this. I actually did enjoy this. From this video quality and audio quality from this video, he sounds really good. So imagine how he sounds when it's completely HD. Interesting. So Thanks for that recommendation. You plead your case. 5%. But for everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below and I'll get to it as soon as possible. I just want to let it be known because I know some people comment harshful things on Twitter, but I don't care because I reply to everything. I don't hate these artists. I don't hate them. It's just that some of their content or a product that they produce or give out is not, I am not a target audience, so it's not for me. You like it, I don't like it. I like it, you don't like it. It is what it is. But when it comes to someone like Justin Bieber, I don't have no problem with Justin Bieber. It's just that he have not done anything yet for me to be like, oh shit, I can't wait to see Justin. He have not done that yet for me. So when this person sent me this recommendation to react to him, I was like, okay. So I did it, and I liked it. It was cute. It was good. He sounds really good. And I'm happy this spiritual journey that he's going through. As always, who can I use? I really do appreciate it. Bye.